Hi, you're watching The Sovera. This is Amarpal Singh before you. As we usually witness rise in the cases of dengue as well as other mosquito-borne cases during these months, Punjab government has intensified the checking. The teams are visiting different areas. They are checking the dengue larva in different areas. And even today, Health Minister Dr. Balbir Singh, he visited Khanna and led the checking drive. We are having with us District Epidemiologist Dr. Sheetal Narang, and we will try to know what kind of steps are being taken here in the district Ludhiana about this checking drive regarding dengue larva and dengue fever cases. So welcome ma'am to The Sovera. Ma'am, what is the present status of dengue fever? How many patients are there, and what kind of drive is being carried out by district Ludhiana team?
Uh, First of all, good afternoon. As since 2 years, we are having only 10 cases so far. Out of which one belong to urban area, and the rest 9 belongs to different blocks. And since the start of the year, we are doing the anti-dengue activity. Like since January, we started with the meeting with the different stakeholders, about private hospitals. We started meeting with the private hospitals, and we circulated the notification which are the notifiable disease, where to send blood sample in case of any case is positive of dengue or malaria or chikungunya. Then after in March, we started with the training of the school teachers and student, which is a new initiative started by respectable health minister sir. We started with the training of all teachers and school children, so they should know how to find the larva breeding and how to destroy it, and where they can find the breeding, so they can keep their school, their surroundings, they are free of dengue or malaria mosquito. Then they started with the training of we started with the training of nursing students, pharmacy student and MLT students, and we cover almost all the colleges in Ludhiana. And along with that, we are doing the day to day activity of house to house activity also. The house to house activity is done by mostly by the MPHW and Swasthya. In urban there is Swasthya, in rural there is MPHW only. For their supervision of this activity, there is MPHS also supervisor. Then from the June, we get breeding checker also. They are on contract. We keep breeding checkers, and they work for 20 days per month, and they help in finding the breeding places. Since July, we got 100 breeding checker, and along with this, we started during the start of the year doing hotspot area. We cover hotspot area. Hotspot area are those where the more than 3 cases are in which area, and the other place is according to Britow index, is a larval density index. So where larval index is more, that area are also hotspot area. We started doing the hotspot area also. Then after the monsoon, when there is an increase in cases, it's supposed to be increase in cases only after monsoon, because in monsoon there are many places there is stagnant water is there. So then there is the breeding of the mosquito. So we start with the extensive activity after monsoon. After monsoon, there we do anti-dengue activities, preferably on Friday. In Friday, there is a there is an instruction from Health Minister sir. See, there is a combined different stakeholder also should involve in the activity, like Health Department, Corporation Department, VHSC, the Village Health Sanitary Committee, then the Residential Welfare Society, plus ASHA, ANM, CHO, MPHW, breeding checker. Everyone should involve in this activity. On the spot, the chalaning also done on Friday, and we survey about different. There is a different agenda for each anti-dengue activity, which is decided one day prior. We get the instruction. This time there was a public places, Gurudwara and holy places. Last time it was like empty plots and different offices. Each time there is a different agenda. Police lines and police stations and different areas, they give agenda to us, and we do according to that. So today there was we actually today sir visited the area of Khanna, where there was 2 cases of dengue reported. We survey that area. We included nursing students also, corporation people also, SDMs are also joined, and the people staying in the area, they also involved with the activity. So it was very successful thing for today. So people get aware to where we can find the larva, how to destroy the larva, and we show that to people also today.
Weeks ago, during when your team went to different police stations, lava was found in the government institutions, including the police station. What kind of steps are being taken to aware the government institution? Because where government is taking the step, and in the government institution, the dengue lava is being found, so it is a matter of concern.
Yeah. As you know, whenever we get the larva site, we wrote down the address, the owner's name, and phone number. Then we share that the urban, specifically urban area, we share that with the municipal corporation through email. Then they do the necessary activity according to that. And rural area also, we share it with the sanitary inspectors and BDPOs about that. Whenever there is a larva breeding, then we inform that place to corporation. They do the chalaning also, and they do fogging activity also in that area.
You have said that hotspots have been identified. How many hotspots are there in Ludhiana city and in the district as whole?
So far there are, I think, 11 hotspot area. Whenever there is a hotspot area, then we issue a letter to corporation that this is a hotspot area, so do the fogging activity twice a day. Then we make a team of 3 to 4 team, and we cover the whole area in next 2 to 3 days.
Ma'am, you mentioned 11 hotspots. Can you name a few of them?
Okay. See, hotspot according to larva index. Larva index means number of larva present in container divided about 100 houses which are checked. You know, if it is 5 or more than 5%, then it is positive for hotspot. So just I am sharing the list of the hotspot area since July. Vishnupur, Prem Nagar, Dr. Ambedkar Nagar, New Shivpuri, Gopal Nagar, Railway Colony number 10, Sambrala Kapila Colony, and Mullapur.
Ma'am, what kind of arrangements are now there in these civil hospitals in city as well as in the sub-districts?
See, in Ludhiana, there are total 1 civil hospital, 4 SDH, and 11 CSCs. So all in this hospital, they are demarcated, isolated wards are there, in which the bed is covered with the net mosquito, medicine impregnated, LLIN we could call it, long lasting insecticide impregnated net. They are already put and all preparation is already done. So if there is a case of dengue needs to be get admitted, then we specially keep that patient into the that isolation ward.
And now, ma'am, at last, what kind of message you want to give to the residents, that what kind of precautions they should take to prevent dengue fever?
For all general public, I can say that there are 2 ways to protect ourselves from dengue. One is from self protection, which is by preventing the bite of the mosquito. We should use the full sleeves cloth and full pants to children, especially children and those who prefer to go out for walk in the evening, because the mosquito bite early in the morning and late in the before sunset in the evening. So at that time, specially wear the full clothes and apply mosquito repellent, mosquito spray or mosquito repellent patch is also available. Then also, whenever if someone get fever, kindly show yourself to doctor, not to quacks or the chemist person. Kindly show yourself to doctors, take advice from doctor. Then second is to which is very important, prevention is always better than cure. So prevent the larva breeding, which is done by preventing the stagnation of water in domestic peri-domestic area. Kindly take always keep a check on freeze, behind the freeze, or any plant is there or any plate is kept below the plant, the water which is kept for the birds, the overhead tank, or any construction is going on. Kindly keep a watch on water container which are kept open. So kindly don't keep any water container open, and once a week, small container you can clean once a week, and you can show sunlight to it, so there will be no larva breeding in that pot when you again put the water, because the mosquito eggs are very resistant to heat, resistant to drying. Whenever you keep something, if there is mosquito eggs, then if you dry that the pot, again you fill the water, then again they will regenerate. They can stay alive for 1 year also. So it is very important to wash the container and then show them sunlight. The second thing, whenever you use the cooler next year, so before using, you clean the paper slab which is kept inside for filtration of water or cooling of water. You should change it, and always each year use newer one.
Thank you so much, ma'am. So she was Dr. Sheetal Narang, district epidemiologist, Ludhiana, and according to her, this year the cases of dengue fever has reduced. At present, there are just 10 cases in the district, and besides, she mentioned that everyone should take proper precautions. They should keep regular check on the water containers, especially when we keep water for the birds and animals, and when there are trays below the plant pots. So one should keep regular check on different containers and utensils where water get filled, because dengue larva it produces on the clean water. So, and residents should wear full sleeves, especially the children, to avoid the mosquito bite. So take necessary precautions to avoid dengue increase in the dengue fever. And you are watching The Savera. Stay tuned to us. Follow us both on Facebook and YouTube, and also download our mobile application. Amarpal Singh with cameraman Manoj Sidhu.